Dear Comrade Ziyambi Ziyambi, your recent carefully hashed memorandum to cabinet leaves little room for doubt. It is a calculated attempt to frontally extend President Mnangagwa's term of office along with that of Parliament by 2 years beyond the constitutionally mandated 5-year limit set under the 2023 elections. Sarabida mashukubda pankwana chenzi Ziyambi Ziyambi warned. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Do you know Zim an extension of the tenure of elected officials without a referendum is a direct assault on the people of Zimbabwe's sovereign right to choose their leaders at fixed and predictable intervals as guaranteed by the Constitution. While it is true that no Constitution is sacred or immutable and that amendments are sometimes necessary, there is a clear red line that must not be crossed, altering the supreme law to allow elected leaders to remain in office beyond the term for which they were elected without the explicit consent of the electorate. It's nothing short of political theft. Your recent carefully hashed memorandum to cabinet leaves little room for doubt. It is calculated attempt to fraudulently extend Master Mnangagwa's term of office along that of Parliament by 2 years beyond the constitutionally mandated 5-year limit set after the 2023 elections. If the state genuinely believes there is a compelling case to extend the terms of office, then the only legitimate and lawful path is a national referendum. Anything else is an invasion to instability and public resistance. Any government gazette or legal instrument emerging from your office on this matter must, without ambiguity, provide for a referendum. Without that, the process will stand exposed as is illegitimate and unconstitutional. Povo Yaramba Agenda 2030. The people say no to 2030. Domash Waruda Pangwa ino Jona Ziyambi Achipoma warning. Na comment section medu za fungu motu dipa msurafe chitu kwa ichi. Songa subscribe or like, on the bell icon.